welcome to Gordon Guitar. Jessica Mauboy with the song called Automatic. So this one is a mix of engines and funky vibes. So great mix there. Let's start right away. No need for any cape on this one. And we have a couple chords to go over. 8 chords, I believe. So let's start with the F sharp minor. So that's a bar here on the 2nd fret, all strings. And the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. Next chord will be B. So you keep a bar on the 2nd fret from the A string and down this time. So 5 strings only. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. Let's go to the C sharp minor. Now we need a bar on the 4th fret from the A string and down. And the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Alright, so that's the C sharp minor. Now let's play the G sharp. So you keep your bar on the 4th fret, this time all strings. And the rest will be 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. Alright, we are playing next D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next chord will be D sharp. And for this song, I choose to play it like this. So that is basically you take a D, you push everything 1 fret towards you, and you put a bar here on the 1st fret from the D string and down, so 4 strings. So that gives us bar on 1st, and then 3rd on the G, 4th on B, and 3rd on E. That's the D sharp. Next chord will be E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So there we have it. Alright, so this song, it's a funky song like we said, and we have some cool strummings to go over. And it starts right away with one big one. Let's start with the F sharp minor, that's the 1st chord. And the strumming goes like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. That is 1 round, okay? So again, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. And then you shift to the C sharp minor and play that for 1 round. Same strumming. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Then we go back to the F sharp minor and we repeat everything. 1 round there, and C sharp 1 round. So down, 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 up, down, and so on. So for the first verse, you will play 2 rounds of F sharp minor 1 and C sharp minor 1. And that's it. That takes us to the pre-chorus. Okay, so you're gonna play a new strumming pattern there. It will be down and clap, down, up. It will be pretty fast. So F sharp minor is the 1st chord, so we'll look at the strumming with that chord. So down, down, clap, down, up is the strumming like this. Okay, so down, down, clap, down, up. All right, so the chord progression will be F sharp minor 2 rounds, C sharp minor 2 rounds, D 2 rounds, and E 2 rounds. If you look at that as 1 chord progression, you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. The only difference here is on the 2nd round, you will just play 1 down per chord. So the first chord progression will be with this strumming down, line, clap, down, up. 2 times per chord. And the next chord progression will be just 1 down per chord. So I'm going to play through for you this pre-chorus. It goes like this. So there you have the pre-chorus 1, and that takes us to the chorus. Okay, so here we have a new strumming pattern, so it quickly changes here back and forth. So we have the F sharp minor again as a starting chord. We'll look at the strumming with that chord, and it goes pretty fast here as well. So it will be down, down, a clap, down. That's the new strumming. So down. Alright, so with that, we're gonna play F sharp minor 4 rounds, then C sharp minor 4 rounds, then back to F sharp minor 4 rounds, then D sharp 2 rounds, and D 2 rounds. And I do the transition like this for the D sharp. And then I just release that one, the bar or the pick there on the first fret D string, and I just take everything 1 fret from you like this, up down here to this on this fretboard. So I don't switch to these standard fingers we usually do for the D. I just keep from the grip D sharp and go up like this. Alright, so just some technique stuff there. I'm going to take you through 1 round of this. Down, down, a clap, down is the new strumming pattern. Let's go. So that is 1 round, play that for 2 rounds, and that is your chorus. That takes us to the second verse, and that is played in the same way as the first verse, so nothing changes there. The pre-chorus number 2, you will have the same chords as in the first one, the F sharp, C sharp, D, E, but now we will play just down clap 2 rounds per chord. All right, so it will be down clap only. Like this. Same chords, just down clap 2 times per chord, and that is your second pre-chorus. Then comes the second chorus, played in the same way as the first one. And after that comes a bridge part. In the lyrics, you know what to do. Come and wrap your arms around me. All right. So here we have 1 down per chord for the following chords. A to G sharp, to C sharp minor, to B. Okay, so that is 1 chord progression, just 1 down per chord there, and you do that for 2 rounds. So A, G sharp, C sharp minor, and B. Just 1 down for 2 rounds, and that is the bridge parts. Then comes kind of an interlude part here, and we have some things to go over here. We have first 1 new rhythm, so to speak, or strumming, or whatever we're gonna call it. And again, F sharp minor is the first chord here. We're gonna look at the rhythm here with this chord. So it'll be down, 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 down. Okay? So, and so on. So 1 strumming round per chord. So I'm gonna take you through the different chords, and I'm gonna play meanwhile. So let's go for F sharp minor. C sharp minor, then D, then E, then F sharp minor again, sharp, and then D. Alright, so that is kind of the interlude part. And then we have a final part, the chorus, and that is played in the same way as the previous choruses. And that will wrap it up for Jessica Mauboy's Automatic. So if you like that song, give it a try. The challenge here will be all the different strummings and so on. But yeah, if you really like something, work for it and it will be your song. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.